How to make your website, WordPress website, 100% security, 100%. No one can hack your website. 100% guarantee. So how it's implemented? So let's go. So like this is your website. This is your website. It's like this is the WordPress website. So hacker want to suppose there is a file. Suppose there is a file like theme.php. The hacker put your file, put the theme or plugin. The file name is theme.php. You never understand the theme.php. Actually, this is the file of hacking. You don't understand. You do not read your code. There are 1,000 minimum. A single WordPress website minimum more than 1,000 file is located, so it is impossible to check all file code. So how to solve this easily? So check, I am hitting this, how I solve this issue. So when hacker hit this, so hacker getting the issue, so your website has been blocked. Your WordPress, your site has been blocked. So the 99% easy hacker, the normal hacker try copy login .php. Got it? The simple. So I have solved the issue. Suppose you should edit your domain in Cloudflare, like I have added this Cloudflare. So back to all domain. So edit domain, connect your domain, put your domain add here. Then after that completely, you should go to the domain. Then go to the security, and under security there's the security rules. Here you should check a block env access. This is my one of the rules, where I have blocked all type of extension, like all type of extension I have been blocked, like PHP, like any type of extension I have blocked here. So when I active this, like disable this, so I can access, like when you hit this here, not issue, showing you that 404 issue. So this is our website from the website. But when you WordPress website run and admin dashboard login or admin login, then you can disable this rule, and after when your work's done, no need to visit from admin dashboard, so you can run this, enable these rules. So after enabling the rules, when you hit here, getting the blocked. Got it? The simple solution. This is the very easy and very simple solution. So no one hacker will hack your WordPress website. 100% guarantee. 100% guarantee. So this is another simple solution for you I have been implemented. So another simple solution from the server down or several issue. So another issue we will talk about the server down. So this issue is solution I have edited for you. So your WordPress site is hacking regular, so you can put this solution, you can put this rule. So after adding this rule, your WordPress website is 100% security guaranteed, inshallah. Thank you. Best of luck.